So Apple Watch has been available on the market for a few months now, and we're just starting to see a massive flooding of the market when it comes to third-party vendors releasing accessories, specifically bands. I have a 42mm space gray, came with a black band, and this plastic rubber material is a great durable band specifically for athletic uses. You know, if you're running or jogging or riding a bike or doing weight workouts or fishing or just anything athletic, this is a great band. It's extremely durable. It's water resistant. It cleans very, very easily. I spritz it with a little warm water and wipe it, and it looks good as new. Every now and then I want to have something a little bit more flashy, a little bit more stylish, and I don't necessarily want to pay, in what in my opinion are the bloated Apple prices for their bands. So I start doing some research online to look for some of these third-party vendors that made what I considered to be a high-quality, good-looking product. I came across a company called Monowear. In this video, let's take a look at their genuine brown leather band with a space gray buckle and see what we get inside and how it looks on the watch. Stay tuned. All right, so here we have it. Here is the packaging for the Monowear brown genuine leather band. And let's take a look around the box. You can see you got this little slider on here. If we flip it over on the back, you got the Monowear branding on the top, a band for every occasion, monoweardesigns.com. Go check them out for sure. Lets you know, the plastic band lets you know what you purchased. So I've got the 42mm matte dark gray, in other words, the space gray buckle and adapter. It is genuine leather in brown, and then it gives you the actual measurements of the band. On the side of the box, we can see just the little Apple Watch band graphic, and on the bottom they've got their Monowear logo and title as well. There you go. So let's open this up and take a look at the band. I'm really excited for this band. I did some research online, and the leather that they use definitely looks like it's a very high quality leather that ages really, really well and actually gives the band even a better look over time. So here we go. If you pull it out, that's kind of cool. It wasn't actually in the box. It's on the plastic to signify the watch that you bought the band for. So here we have it in the package. Got this little kind of velvety feel, and we've got the watch. And one of the things that's very cool about these bands is they come with the actual adapter to put it onto the watch face, so you don't have to buy a watch band and adapt this and take it off. It actually has it on there. I've looked, and there's a lot of vendors out there. So right off the bat, you can see the genuine leather tag. If my camera will focus, there we go, the genuine leather tag. And this is very soft, very comfortable feeling leather, and I really like the look of it and the color. So as you can see, we have the space gray or the dark matte gray adapter and loop that is going to connect to the watch, and it has a shiny metallic buckle, which is kind of nice, adds a little contrast. You've got dual little loops here to put the band in. So let's go ahead and take the standard band off, which is very simple. If you flip your watch over, you'll see these two little buttons. If you just kind of depress this button a little bit with your fingertip, and the band will just slide right off like so, and we'll do that to the same one on the other side. We'll go ahead and take the brown leather band and line it up in the slot here. Let's see, we got to go from this side, I believe. Yeah, there we go. And slide that over. Oop, I just took a picture already, just seeing the top of it. I think it looks awesome. Let's see. There we go. And the other one is on. So there you have it. There is a shot of the watch. And again, this is the space gray with their genuine brown leather band, and I'm expecting that this leather is going to weather and look absolutely beautiful with time. So let's go ahead and I'm going to pop this on my wrist real quick and tell you how it feels. And obviously it's much easier than a sport band to put on, because it goes on just like a normal everyday watch band. And let's slip that on and take a look at what it looks like. So there we have, there's the watch on my wrist, and I like it. It feels really nice. It's obviously a little bit stiff right now because it's brand new, and it needs to wear in a little bit. I think I need to tighten it up a little bit. I don't think the heart rate monitor would be able to pick up my heart rate being that loose. It's definitely stiff right out of the package, but I can tell that it's a decent quality and it's going to loosen itself up. So there you have the genuine brown leather. They actually have this in black, what they call a cream, and then the standard brown, which is what this one is, available. I believe they sell for $80, $79.99 to pick these up on Monowear Designs. But there you have it. That is what the brown leather band. I really like the bright silver buckle. That looks really, really nice, the nickel buckle or whatever. I almost considered buying these adapters in this to kind of give it some contrast. And you will notice if I'm going to take the watch off in just a second here. But I definitely like the way it fits. It's very, very comfortable. But you will notice that the dark gray matte color that is in the actual attachment clamps is a little bit different of a color than the space gray. It's actually a little bit darker than the gray, and how the light hits it really does make it stand out a little bit, which is nice. It adds some contrast and makes it look a little bit different. So there you have it. I'm going to actually wear this for a while, and hopefully it will weather and start to, you know, get a little bit of a personality to it with some markings and some use worn into it, and I'll do another review and maybe show it off after about a month or so of wear. But there you have the Monowear genuine brown leather band for the Apple Watch 42mm, and they do sell this for both the 38 and the 42mm watches, so go check them out, monoweardesigns.com. As always, like this if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.